Artist, how are you? Myself Aman, and now I am going to tell you some tips, some ways to make a good goal. It is very interesting topic for all of us because we want to make a good goal in our life, but due to some distraction, we diverted to some other plan. We can't able to make good goal, we can't able to think about our goal. So we need to think about our goal. How can we design, how can we make good goal with good way by which we can get success in our life, by which we can get whatever you want in your life. So I will try to give you some suggestions, some tips, some strategies, some formulas, some principle of my life. If you will follow my tips, my law, of course you can feel something better than before. So today I am going to tell you some very important strategies of very important principle of designing goal. So most of the person will ask why you are telling to make to design a goal. Of course, we need to speak about this. We need to think about this because if you don't know how can you make a goal, if you don't know where should you want to go, if you don't know where am I going, so you are misuse your time. You see, you are not utilize your time, you are not utilizing your time in good manner, in good way. So you need to think about this, that what am I doing, what am I looking, what is running in my life. And if you will not focus, so you will find say, in your life so many times you can get sad, you can get nervous, even that you can also get frustrated if you will not design your goal whatever where you have to go. So first, I would like to tell you, everyone want to reach very higher position, everyone want to become very rich person upon this earth under the sun. But it is not possible for everyone. Yeah, wishing is not everything. We need to take action, we need to take action. Wishing is not everything. But how can we design good goal where we want to go? Of course, most of the student who is watching this video, most of the people maybe is farmer, maybe businessman, maybe doctor, maybe engineer who is watching this video. So I would like to tell you, there is no matter where you want to go in your life, there is no matter where you want to go in your life. The matter thing, how much hard work you are doing, how much infatuation you are doing to achieve that thing. I mean, if you are a student and if you are saying to yourself, I want to become a doctor, I want to become a engineer, so I have to crack this examination. But you are thinking that if I will not crack this examination, what will happen? So never think about this, because result is not in our hand. We can only do work, we can only do hard work, but result is not in our hand. So if you have chosen any type of plan, any type of goal, any type of destination, if you have any type of aim in your life, so you need to go for that. But most of the people are thinking, if I will not if I will not get success in that field, so my life can be ruined. Yeah, it is also very serious matter for all of us. If we will not get our destination, most of the person go to frustrated, most of the person go to pressure, very biggest pressure. How can you avoid all of this? How can you become very good person in your life, and who the person who can achieve in his life with a happy ways? So I would like to tell you, if you want to become a if you want to do the preparation of the government examination, so you have to ask to yourself, can I put my 100% hard work to crack this examination? You need to ask to yourself. every day. If you have decided that I have to go for the government examination, you need to ask to yourself every day, every morning, every evening, can I put all of my hard work to achieve my goal? Can you do? If your mind is saying I cannot do, never go for that. If your mind is saying I cannot do, never go for that. If you will go for that, believe me, you will not achieve anything in your life, and most of the person will make fun to you. So you need to ask to yourself every day, every evening, every morning, every night, to yourself, whenever you watching a video, whenever you playing a cricket, you have to every time ask to yourself, can I do this? Can I put all of my hard work, all of my potential to achieve that thing? There is no matter that you will achieve or not. It is not matter that you will get your goal or not. It is not matter, believe me. It is not matter that you will get success or not. Success is not important. The important thing is, did you put all type of hard work to achieve your goal? Did you put? You have to ask to yourself, can I put this? If your mind is saying yes, I can put all type of my I can put 100% hard work to achieve my goal, I would like to tell you, you need to go for that. You need to go for that. But if your mind is saying yes, if I will put 100% of my hard work, and after that, if I will not get success, what will happen? Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Why nothing will happen? Because are you have become very hard worker person upon this earth, who know very well about how can we do our work, how can we have to handle any situation in our life, because you have given a very big examination, you have prepared with good for the good examination, no matter you get or not. The matter thing is, you have put all type of efforts. So if you will not success get that thing, no matter, you can do better in your life, believe me. It is the true, it is true, and it is lived by so many person. So you need to understand this strategies, you need to understand this formula, then you can achieve whatever you want to achieve with a happier journey. It is not important that you get something or not. The important thing is your journey. If you do hard work 30 year, if you do hard work 30 year, and after the 30 year, if you become a crorepati, what will you do with that money? What will you do that money? Because you have burnt all your life for thinking that I am facing lot of problem now, and after the few years I will achieve that thing. If you are thinking like this, if you were thinking like this, and after that, if you will get that goal, if you will get that destination, so life is end for you, because you have money, you have not life to live. So what will you do that money? What will you do that money? So I don't know who person is saying a statement. The statement is that success is not a destination. Success is not a destination. Success is journey. So it is very good statement spoken by someone. Success is not a destination, success is a journey. So you need to understand that how can I take more enjoy in my journey, and how the man success in according to me, the man success in your life, how many life did you enrich to the people through the course of journey of your life? How many life did you enrich to the people through the journey of your life? This is the real success of your life. So, and in your journey, if you can create three things in your life, you can be happy always, and you then I can say you are a successful person. What is the three things? According to me, the three things, first thing is humanity. We have to create in ourselves humanity. The second thing is morality, and the third thing of my list is spirituality. If you have three things, so I can say that you are successful person. But it is not easy to get, it is not easy to crack, it is not easy to create in ourselves these three things. Because I know so many person in my surrounding. I know so many person in my surrounding who have who has too much money, who have too much money, and he is doing very high level, he is doing very high level job. Still they are not happy. They are facing lot of different type of the problem in his life, during a day, during a month, during year. And he sometimes, I also say, saw that he sometimes feel that life is burden for him. So you can understand that if you have money does not mean you will be happy. If you have good post does not mean you will happy. So if you will not get your destination, if you will not get your goal, if you will not get your aim, don't need to cry. Because life has too much option. If you will not succeed in one option, choose second option. If second door if one door is closed for you, go for the second door. If second door is also closed for you, then go for the third door. If third door is also closed for you, and if every door of the life is closed for you, create a new door for yourself. Then you are a good, if you can do this, I think you are a good player of your life. If you can do this, then I can say that you are very intelligent, very genius player of your life. Because you are thinking very well, you are taking action very well, and you are designing your goal with good way. So near, and I would like to also tell you, as I told you, that if you want to make a goal, you need to understand, can I put 100% hard work to achieve that goal? You need to ask to yourself, if your mind, if your body is saying yes, I can put, then you have to go for that. Otherwise you need to choose another thing. Suppose that if you want to become a businessman, then you need to you should ask to yourself, can I take big risks? Can I face every type of uh, disadvantage of my in my life? Can I handle every type of harm in my life? Can I handle every type of situation in my life? Because if you will go business, no matter if business will give you everything, then he business can snatch you everything. Because without pain no gain. This is very famous sentence, proverbs. Without pain no gain. Okay. So there is no matter in which field you are going, you need to ask to yourself always, can I do, can I do, can I do? When your body is saying start, yes I can do, so you need don't wait for time that I will start for from 4 months. After 4 months I will start after 1 year. Because procrastination is very very big disease of my life, our life. If we So we need to avoid the procrastination from our life. And the second thing is, the according to me, the second thing, as I told you, making the goal. And the second thing, as I have experienced, that you have to is that if you will go for any profession, if you will go for any work, it does not mean that you will be success. Suppose that you are going to do business, so if you will not get a success in your life, whatever you want to achieve in your life, suppose that you want to open a good school in your life, and if you will not able to open that school, so you will feel that I become fail. But it is not true. You did not become fail. You can open a, if you have tried with 100% of hard work, that I have to open a school, and if you did not get your if you did not get your goal, so you can do another thing, because you have so much experience, so you are not empty hand. You have so many things, you can do another thing, because life has so many opportunity. If you want to take the advantage of every type of opportunity, then you can take. Nobody can stop you. So don't tell to yourself that if I will fail in this field, then I will, my life will be ruined. No, it does not true. You can do something better, more better than your job. So you, but one thing is, you have to clear one thing in your mind, that I have to put all my efforts, all my hard work. So if you can think good, so you will find that more clarity in your goal, more clarity in your life, more clarity in your happiness, more clarity in your every field of your life. And when you are deciding that I have to do this, when you are deciding that I have to do this, we are going to ask so many person, can I, should I do this, should I do this, should I do this. Some person say that some person says that yeah you can do, and some person says that you can, it is not for you. So some person is promoting us, and some person is discouraging to us. But so you, but I would like to tell you, don't more ask to more person that can I do this, should I do this. You need to ask to yourself. If you will not ask to yourself, then you will not live happy life, you will not live a human life, you will become a slavery person. You will become a slavery person. You are depend only other idea, you are totally depend only other idea. So need, you need to think about from your mind, you need to think by your mind, and you need to tell to yourself, can I do better in this field, can I do better than other, more better in this field. So your mind will respond, it will give you answer of your question, and you will take action to achieve that thing. So I think it is good conversation, not conversation, it is I think according to me it is good suggestion for you, that you have to ask to yourself, can I do this. And the second thing is, no matter wherever you want to go, if you will do hard work, you will definitely get success. No matter you are going to do preparation of the government examination, no matter you want to become a engineer, no matter you want to become a farmer, no matter what's your profession, no matter whatever your profession, no matter, the matter thing is your determination, your preservation, your passions, your commitment to achieve that goal, to achieve your destination. So I will see you in the next video. What is your opinion about this topic? If you have any suggestion for me, so you can write on the comment box, because I am also a learner. I am making this video to improve my English, to improve myself, because I have no other way to improve myself, because in where I am living, there is no person who is speaking English very well. So how can I talk more person, how can I talk more people. So for that I am making this video, by which we can create some environment in myself, by which we can speak English with good way. So if you are thinking that I am giving a lecture, so don't avoid this, because I am also a student like you, and I am also learning English. I am also learning from so many things in life, and I am also learning from outside, from book, from any other whatever what type of the whatever type which I mean whatever type of teacher is available upon the sir, I am learning from them. So you need to avoid my mistake. If you have good suggestion for me, so please comment on the comment box. I will try to improve uh, date for your formula in my life to improve myself. I will see you in the next video. Radhe Radhe, Sitaram.